All right, you magnificent market mavericks. Big Money Mike's here, cranked up and ready to ride the Wall Street rodeo like a caffeinated cowboy. Let's lasso some profits. What's sizzlin', Capital Commanders? Big Money Mike coming at you live, looking at one stock that's got the market hotter than a $2 pistol. Therapeutics. Forget the stuffy analyst reports. We're getting down and dirty to figure out if this biotech babe is a long-term lover or just a one-night stand. Are we talking moonshot or meltdown? Let's get after it. Yesterday's money moves. TGTX takes the throne. Forget the Dow, Nasdaq, and S&P. Yesterday was all about TGTX. This biotech just detonated on the scene, rocketing up over 30% like it strapped itself to a SpaceX Falcon Heavy. What fueled this interstellar flight? Earnings that crushed expectations and a drug called Biotech that's got Wall Street drooling. But let's pump the brakes for a sec. In the wild west of biotech, there's always a catch. Is it worth risking your capital? Market pulse. The day the bulls saw green. The rest of the market might have been sipping lukewarm coffee, but the biotech sector was chugging rocket fuel. Here's the rundown. Biotech's back in business. TGTX just proved that a sector might be back in action. Earnings equals elation. Sometimes in this market, earnings were a make-or-break moment. Big Money Mike's gut check. Therapeutics, TGTX. Hold on tight or cash out. All right, let's get down to brass tacks. Should you be buy-in, holdin', or foldin' on Therapeutics? Here's the Big Money Mike breakdown. The bull case. This ain't no mirage. Briumvi is the real deal. This drug seems ready to make bank. Data don't lie. The trial data seems legit, and if any analysts tell you otherwise, then punch M. Buyout potential is palpable. With great success comes more and more suitors, so be ready for that potential event. The bear case, caution, may spontaneously combust. Valuation is spicy. After a 30% jump, TGTX's stock ain't cheap anymore. You're paying a premium for potential. Biotech is boom or bust. The FDA is a brutal god, and a single clinical trial setback could send this stock plummeting faster than a Kardashian marriage. The ghost of hepatitis B, fulminant hepatitis, hepatic failure, and death have been seen with the use of TGTX medication and must be considered. The bottom line, TGTX is more than just a pump and dump. I'm not going to tell you what to do with your money, but I am letting you know what I am doing with mine. Big Money Mike's options play. All right, here's where things get interesting. If you're feeling lucky and think TGTX has more room to run, I'm eyeing the TGTX April 2025 $60 call. It's a high-risk, high-reward play that could pay off big if a buyout announcement hits. I think you should make this move only if you know what you are doing, though. Don't blame Big Money Mike for poor decisions. Disclaimer, options are like fire. They can cook your dinner or burn your house down. Don't play with them unless you know what you're doing. And again, this ain't advice. Market Crystal Ball, March 5th, 2025. Time to gaze into my crystal ball and predict tomorrow's market moves. And if it fails me, I will throw it into the nearest dumpster. S&P 500. Expect the market to trade how it wants, but hopefully it plays it safe after a great market day. Dow Jones. All depends on how the mega-cap tech stocks perform. Nasdaq. Biotech will stay hot unless some scary news hits. That's all I got for you today, my magnificent market maniacs. Remember, I'm just a guy with a mic and a whole lot of opinions. Do your own research, trust your gut, and don't let anyone tell you how to spend your hard-earned cash. Big Money Mike out. Stay dangerous and keep stacking those chips.